We're making a Maldivian lentil pudding dessert today, called mugu bondibai. Mugu is the Maldivian word for lentils. We're using red lentils because they're quick to cook. These are the ingredients you'll need. To start, fry the onions in about a tablespoon of butter. Then set aside the onions and the extra butter and add the 1 cup of washed lentils with 2.5 cups of water. Add the piece of ginger and boil till the lentils are completely soft. Remove that piece of ginger and now stir in the sugar. Mix for a minute and then add the fried onions and the leftover butter. Stir periodically and keep cooking on a medium flame until more of the water evaporates and the mixture starts to thicken. Now you want to add the ground cardamom powder, the cinnamon, and the rose water. Cook for about 2 minutes more before removing from the heat. And pour the pudding into a dish. It can be left to cool and set before serving. This recipe is from Cook Maldives, the cookbook.